Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn what moves the CAD, the US economic data. US economic data usually prints roughly at the same time as the Canadian data. On the one hand, the negative data from the US coupled with the positive data from Canada could lead to a massive drop in the USD CAD's value. On the other hand, positive US data and poor Canadian data could send the USD CAD soaring high. Mergers and acquisitions. Because of the proximity between the US and Canada, company mergers and acquisitions happen quite often. These cause a huge amount of money to flow between the two countries, which creates a significant effect on the foreign exchange market. For example, in order for a US company to buy out a Canadian company, it must first exchange its US dollars for Canadian dollars to complete the transaction. Imagine the amount of money that flows through the foreign exchange market just to seal the deal. Trading the USD CAD pair. USD CAD is traded in amounts denominated in USD. Standard lot sizes are 100,000 USD and mini lot sizes are 10,000 USD. The pip value, which is denominated in Canadian dollars, is calculated by dividing 1 pip of USD CAD, that is 0.0001 by USD CAD's current rate. Profit and loss are denominated in Canadian dollars. For one standard lot position size, each pip movement is worth 10 Canadian dollars. For one mini lot position size, each pip movement is worth 1 Canadian dollar. For example, if the current exchange rate of USD CAD pair is 1.1000 and you want to trade one standard lot, then 1 pip would equate to 9.90 USD. Margin calculations are based on US dollars with leverage of 100:1. 1000 USD is needed to trade 100,000 USD CAD. USD CAD trading tactics. Since USD CAD is only active during the US trading session, the pair is highly susceptible to fake outs during the other two trading sessions. This means that a break in a significant support level in the USD CAD during the morning European trading session would more often than not simply be a fake out. Watching the differences in the results of economic data between the US and Canada is also a great practice to determine where the USD CAD is headed. Because both US and Canadian data are released just a few hours or minutes apart, variances in results tend to result in exaggerated one-dimensional moves. For instance, negative US data coupled with the positive Canadian data would be a good reason to sell USD CAD. Lastly, beyond looking at economic data, spending some time to analyze oil price behavior would help a lot in trading the CAD. Since Canada is considered as one of the world's major black crack oil producers, changes in its price create quite a hefty impact on the CAD's value. In fact, since 1988, the exchange rate of USD CAD and the price of oil has been inversely correlated by as much as 68%. How can you use this for your advantage? Well, if you notice that over time that oil prices at your local gasoline station are rising, it could give you the additional confirmation you needed to short the USD CAD pair. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.